The sun was bright in the sky. It was a beautiful day. I looked out my window and saw the green trees. I wanted to go to the park, and I wanted to draw. I had my sketchbook and my pencils ready. I called my friends. First, I called Mia. "Hello, Mia. Do you want to go to the park?" Mia's voice was happy. "Yes, that is a great idea, Gracie. Let's have a picnic." So we planned a picnic. I called Tom and Liam. They wanted to come too. Buddy the dog heard the word park. He got very excited. He ran to the door and wagged his tail. We all met at my house. Mia brought a big basket with apples and bananas. Liam brought a large, soft blanket and his favorite book. Tom arrived last, wearing his bright red baseball cap. He carried a small, strange machine. "It is my new picnic helper," he said with a big smile. I brought the sandwiches and juice for everyone. We walked to the park together. We found a perfect spot under a big old tree. Liam put the blanket on the green grass. We all sat down and opened the basket. The sandwiches were delicious. Tom turned on his machine. It was a small fan with a large leaf attached to it. The leaf moved back and forth. It pushed the small insects away from our food. It looked very funny, but it worked. After we finished eating, I opened my sketchbook. I want to draw a picture of everyone. It is a perfect day for a picture. Mia, Tom, and Liam sat together. They smiled for me. "Okay, everyone, stay still." And I started to draw. But Buddy did not want to be still. He wanted to play. He picked up his favorite yellow ball and dropped it near Tom. He wagged his tail and barked a happy little bark. It was very difficult to draw a picture when Buddy was moving so much. Then I had an idea. I looked at Liam. "Liam, can you play fetch with Buddy for just a few minutes?" I asked. Liam smiled. He understood. He threw the ball far across the grass. Buddy ran very fast to get it. While Buddy played, I drew very quickly. I drew Tom in his red cap. I drew Mia's happy smile. I drew Liam as he watched Buddy. They were perfect. Soon, Buddy was tired. He came back and lay down on the blanket with a soft sigh. He closed his eyes. Now he was still. I smiled and added a sleepy Buddy to the bottom of my picture. I finished the drawing and showed it to my friends. "Wow, Gracie, that's us!" Mia said loudly. The picture showed our happy picnic under the big tree. We all looked at it together. It was a wonderful memory of our simple, happy day.